put condoms into the same place where the rhymes invented. So all I do is rap sex. Imagine how I stroke. See eyes blowing on my last set. Rapping fire like I'm blasting the tech. Never jam though, never get high, never run out of ammo. Niggas hating the shit cause they change your bitch. You know your favorite, I know what made you sick. And now you're acting raw, but you never had war. Know how to carry your hoes, wanna marry your hoes. Now she's mad at me cause your majesty just happened to be a pimp with a tragedy. She wants us to end cause I fucked her friend. She gave me one more chance and I fucked her again. I seen the tears as she busted in. I said shit, it's a drag. Shut the door, bitch.
Nothing compares to a quiet evening alone. Just the one, two. I was just counting on that never happened. I guess I'm dreaming again. Let's be more than I won't be ignored. No, hear me out now. You're gonna listen to me like you don't know right now. Hear me out now. You're gonna listen to me like you don't know right now. If you wanna play it like a game, well come on, let's play. Cause I'd rather waste my life pretending than have to forget you for one whole minute. They taped over your mouth, scribbled out the truth with their lies, you little spies. They taped over your mouth, scribbled out the truth with their lies, Rock and roll.